My name is Naqiyya. I am 7 years old, and this is my area. This is my mother and my uncle. My mother's name is Marama Mohammed. Akabo. Akaba.
How is school?
Fine.
School is fine.
Here is my house. Yesterday's program was about the Muslim World League, and they promised they will take care of 1,000 orphans, and I'm happy for that.
On a more serious note, Naqiyya has many orphan friends, which she was happy at the end of the day that they will also be enjoying the same level of education, the same level of shelter, food, clothing, and everything. And in fact, we were all happy.
We appreciate what you have done, and I will wish you will come again and do more for us. Thank you. Bye. I love you all.